In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to hide or show clock in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. So let's start on the hiding of the clock here in our Windows 11. So by that, navigate here at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. Here at the settings, please proceed to the left side of that and find for time and language. Click on that one. The moment you click on it, you'll be able to see four options. Please proceed to date and time. Afterwards, you'll get to see this kind of section where here you find for show time and date in the system tray. And there you can see a switched option, turn it off. In that way, when you close this window, you will be able to hide the clock here in your Windows 11. On the other hand, if you would like to show your clock here in your Windows 11, just navigate the same steps and that is here at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. By the way, you can also press Windows key and I key together on your keyboard. In that way, you'd be able to bring up the settings window. Now from here, please proceed to the left side and find for this time and language again. And here in this section, please proceed to date and time again. And this time, you need to proceed to the switch, turn it on. In that way, you'd be able to show the clock here in your Windows 11. Now that's it. If you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.